Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, dear students. Welcome to our science class. So, today is Monday. It is 30th of November 2020. Girls, last 2 days we were talking about the water cycle. And the water cycle causes what? Who knows? Yes, Rayana. Again? Yes, Rayana.
It cause the water cycle cause
What change it will do to our environment?
it can evaporation
Yes, water will go up and then
and then
how the water will come down again.
water vapor to make a cloud and
Condensation to make a cloud. After that, water falling from the sky to the ground. What do I call it?
we call it
Yes.
precipitation.
Excellent. Precipitation. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. Precipitation means rain, and rain means the weather. So, what are the types of weather? What do you think there are types of weather? Yes, Elian, what are the types of weather?
Types of weather: rainy,
Yes.
snowy, sunny,
Yes.
and windy.
Excellent. Windy. What else? Who knows? What else? Here in Jeddah, can you describe the weather here in Jeddah?
Cold,
Summery, I think.
cold, sunny.
Now it's
Yes.
cold.
No, not now, but usually.
Usually
Hot, windy, hot.
Yes.
Usually it's windy, but these
Windy
days
and what?
so cold.
Is it dry or wet?
Wet.
Wet.
Dry.
No, wet.
Wet.
Riyadh is dry.
Excellent, excellent, excellent.
These days are really going to be cold.
Yeah,
I know.
where?
Not really. I go to swimming classes, and if I just go out of the water 1 second, I feel like I'm a snowman. Please.
I know why. Because you're wearing the mayo. Mayo is so like that.
No, because I am wet. That's
guys.
why.
Okay, guys. Our weather here in Jeddah, you said it's not dry, it is wet. Okay, what do you mean by wet? There is a word to describe with a wet weather. Hi, Lean. Lean, you are raising your hand?
I know.
So what is it?
What means like something like let's say it's raining today,
Mm-hmm.
and the streets are really wet.
No, not that.
And
I meant in summer.
Yeah.
In summer, in summer the weather can be okay.
In summer, you wanted to go in a swimming class, and all of a sudden, an hour later, you'll get out and
No, let me tell you about it.
You'll get really wet.
No. In summer, when it's really hot, very hot, once you go out from the door to outside, you will feel all your face is really wet, and sometimes your body, and you sweat a lot because of the heat and something. There's heat and something. Huh, yes, ya Talia. Talia? I can't hear you. I'm sorry.
Humidity?
Yes, humidity. Excellent. Do you know humidity? Humidity is when your weather is very wet. When you feel that there is something in the air, you feel that maybe water droplets or something. We'll talk about types of weather today.
It's the amount of water, the water vapor.
Yeah, the
Excellent,
amount of
excellent.
water vapor in the air.
Exactly, the amount of water vapor in the air, and it will stick to your skin. That what makes you feel wet. All right, and there are some dry. So we are gonna talk about weather type or type of weather. It's really fun
So
and
we flip the
lovely.
page.
Before, yes, please open to page 260. What is weather? Let's underline the word weather together.
I underline it.
Can I read it?
Weather, atmosphere at a given place and time is called.
Miss, can I read or no?
Yes,
Or
please.
they
Can you read,
already
please?
read? The condition of atmosphere at a given place and sometimes is called weather. Weather takes place in the layer of, of the atmosphere closest to the Earth's surface. Without
Thank you.
the
Thank you. So, guys, what is the atmosphere? Remember from the 2 days before, we were
The,
talking
con-
about the atmosphere. What is the atmosphere?
the condition of the amount.
No.
Oh, atmosphere.
Miss, I know.
The atmosphere is a mixture of gas that surrounds Earth.
Gases.
Excellent, excellent,
Mixture
excellent.
of gases.
Okay, there are some factors that help to measure the weather. What are they? Factors. Yes. Okay, why I cannot see you? Did you all close your microphone? Okay, now you are here. All right, very good. So, yes, Talia, can I hear you now? Let me try. Yes, Talia.
Can you hear me?
Yay! Yes, okay. So, what are the factors?
The factors,
Help you describe the weather.
yes, help you describe the weather of the place.
Are you here, Talia?
Yes,
So, what are they? Factors that help you to describe the weather.
including air temperature, humidity, and air pressure help you describe the weather of a place.
Excellent, excellent, excellent. So these are the factors that will help you to describe the weather. Air temperature is how warm or cool the air is around. Of course, you know what's a temperature. So when I ask you what is a temperature, what are you going to say, Ariana?
I'm gonna say temperature is how warm or cool the water is around.
The air is around. Excellent. What about humidity? What is humidity, Alayan?
Humidity is the amount of water vapor in the air. When the
Excellent,
air
excellent, excellent, very good. Okay, okay, continue with air.
it is the amount of water vapor.
Excellent, yes, Elaine, can you complete, please?
When the air feels dry, we have low humidity. When the air feels dumpy, we have high humidity. High humidity can also affect another weather factors.
Pre-
Participate.
Precipitation.
I complete.
Yes, please. And precipitation is?
The water that falls back to Earth deep, depending on the air temperature. Precipitation falls as rain, snow, sleet, or hail.
Hail. Okay,
Hail.
all these we know already from before. Now the new information is humidity. And humidity means the amount of water vapor in the air. And we know when it's dry and when it's damp. If it's dry, so is it low humidity or high? If it's dry.
Dry.
Dry, it
Low.
is low
Low
humidity.
humidity.
Excellent, excellent. It is low.
So,
And if
miss,
it's damp,
it's
High.
What's
high.
damp? Miss,
Now, what's
damp?
air pressure? What's air pressure, Yalian?
Wait, what's damp?
Lian,
Yes.
what's air pressure?
Air pressure is the weight of the atmosphere pressing down on the Earth's surface. Air
Now,
temperature.
what is the atmosphere again?
What?
What is the atmosphere again?
Atmosphere. Wait.
Is a layer
can you
of
say it?
gases surround the Earth's
It's-
surface. Is that right?
Yeah.
So,
Air temperature
air
and humidity
pressure
both.
is what? The weight of the atmosphere pressing pressing down on Earth's surface, and air temperature and humidity both affects what?
Air temperature and humidity both affects air pressure. Change the air pressure usually bring changes in the weather.
So all these factors can change the weather easily, and they will help you to describe the weather. If there's a change in humidity, is there a change in weather or not?
Yes.
Yeah.
Of course. What about air pressure?
Yeah. Also.
Yes.
So,
But
The
miss.
federal
Of
the
course.
weather will change.
Miss,
Okay.
can I say something?
But miss,
Yes.
who's on the board?
Yes, Yalayan. Yes, Yalayan, you can say something.
Not only Riyadh is the low humidity. I think also the Taif. Is it
Taif
correct?
has
Does
low
have
humidity, not high. All
Yeah.
mountains places, I think they don't have high humidity. All of them have
Yeah.
low humidity. Yes.
Yeah,
Please, Dean,
because
can
it's high.
can you clean the board, please, for us? Now,
Okay.
weather determines what. Okay, weather
Miss, can I be your
determines
assistant?
whether we can go for a cool dip in a pool, or we should be careful of a strong winds, or we can stay escaped on a frozen lake. So weather will determine what are the activities you are going to do. What about the clothes you wear? Is it gonna be different according to the weather? Now,
Yes, and if you can't wear like light colors, you have to wear dark colors in the cold.
why? Why do you wear dark colors in the cold places? Yes, that's correct. But why? Do you know the reason?
No.
Oh, I know. Yeah, I know.
Yes,
I
tell me.
think
Try.
I
You
know.
can try to tell me.
Because the dark color, like the sky, is dark, I think.
No, teacher,
Excellent. Okay, you are very close, Rihanna, because sun loves the dark colors, so dark colors will absorb the heat fast than the light colors. So when it absorbs the heat, you will feel much warm. That's why you wear light in summer and dark in winter. Now let's do
This
exercise.
winter,
This
I'm wearing
exercise,
lights.
please. Can we do this exercise, please?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay,
I wanna write.
which
Miss?
of these pictures shows weather that is most like the day's weather where you live? Describe your current weather conditions. Who can describe the weather now, today, this moment? Yes, Yelin.
Today's weather is
Sunny. Today's weather is actually really sunny and it's hot.
Okay, you said about sunny temperature. What about the humidity? Is it high in humidity or low?
Low.
Low in humidity. Excellent. Is it cool or really hot?
Really hot.
Really? Have you opened the window today?
Can I please?
It's cool.
It's
really
cool. It is
No,
cool.
it's cold.
Yes,
A little bit cold. Just a little bit
very
cold.
Yeah,
A tiny bit.
can I say
I'm
something?
very cold, but I'm not opening
So I
my
want to
eyes.
read it.
Yes, of course. Yes, you can say something. Yes, Elian.
Miss,
I want
in
to read it.
time when the sun is here, we feel a little bit hot, okay? But in the night, you will feel really cold.
Yeah.
Yes, yes, that's right.
Because
In
now
the Maghrib
the sky
it'll be
dark
really
and
windy.
no sun.
Miss, in the Maghrib it'll be really windy.
Okay, guys, what do you see
I
in this
know why.
picture? What
Because
do you
it's
I
see
see
in
a
the...
mountain and
I think I see
a
a scale.
I
And
think I
let's
see
say-
Mount Everest and a modern borrow.
Okay, these are tools. Why do we use these tools for what? Yes, Talia,
Lost.
try.
I think we use it for First of all, can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Okay, good. I think we use it for calculating the air.
Excellent, calculating the air pressure. But what do I say? To measure the weather. So to measure the weather, we need a lot of tools. These tools to measure the air pressure. So we have special tools to measure the air pressure. Can you tell me what do we use to measure the air temperature? Hi, Rayana, what do you use to measure the air temperature? If we want to know how much is it hot or cold?
we use this thing. We use
No, it's not here. It's not in this page.
what do you
Temperature. If you want to know how hot something or cold, what do you use?
we use
Hi, Rital. Thank you, Rayana. Hi, Rital.
we
Tal?
use we use um
To measure the temperature. You want to know if it's hot or cold?
Teacher me, can I answer?
Yes, Liana.
Thermometer.
Excellent, Liana. We use a thermometer. We use a thermometer to measure how hot or cold something is. What about the rain? How much rain is falling? Can we use something called rain something? Who remembers?
I remember, but I forgot the name.
So
But
it's a
they-
rain gauge. Do you remember?
Yes,
Hmm?
Miss, is
It's
the
a rain gauge.
Yeah,
Miss, I
you know,
can't hear. Can you see
I
that
don't
again?
remember it.
and then there's like
Can you see it again?
Yes, just a minute, Rayana. Yes, Rayana, you were saying something?
I think that the rain gauge is the one that like just the weather, like you put it up your house and then it's like has like arrows.
No.
It's
That what you were talking about to measure the wind. So where the wind's direction. Yes. Yes.
Rainfall.
Yes, the rain falls. You measure rain gauge with for the rain. How much rain falling down? Yes, Rihanna. Do you hear me now? The rain gauge.
Yeah.
We use the rain gauge. Why? To measure how much rain coming down. It looks like a cup, a measuring cup. So all the rain will go inside this cup, and you will see how many inches we had of rain. Understand now?
Okay.
And we have a rain, a wind vane. A wind vane is the one that measures the wind direction, if it's coming from south to east, from west to north, and that's
No.
it. Yes. Also, to measure the pressure, we're talking about humidity and pressure today. Okay? Now, these tools are used to measure the air pressure. This is a barometer air pressure. We call it a barometer air pressure. A barometer air pressure, there is some liquid inside, okay? When you put it out, it will get up high and it will go down low as the pressure around you in the air. So we call it a classic biometer. It has a scale long the side of the barometer measure the high of the mercury in the tube. The average air pressure at sea level is 760 millimeter. Okay,
Miss,
and
it looks like a thermometer because a thermometer it has like a
a
whole thing and
liquid inside.
yes.
Yes, yes, excellent. Yes, but
So they the same thing but not like in the same shape.
mhm,
They have something in common.
yes. Now,
Teacher,
this is yes.
are we going to do brain chat today?
No, not today. And this is what? This is a modern biometer. A modern biometer, does it have a liquid inside?
A what?
This is a modern biometer. The first
I
one
don't
Yeah.
think
is
it has.
classic. The one is the classic biometer. And this one is the modern
Modern.
biometer. The biometer, what does it have inside? Is it liquid or vacuum
I don't think
chamber?
liquid.
It
I
has
think vacuum.
Vacuum chamber.
yes, it has vacuum chamber. The vacuum chamber, okay, the air will press down on the vacuum chamber. A sort of airless can, as the air pressure changes, the vacuum chamber moves up and down. A lever attached to the chamber moves a pointer along a dial measure to the air pressure. Over here, you can see
Yeah.
it will go all around just like the clock. But what is really happening over here is the chamber going up and down, and then it will move.
Oh.
Yes, it will move this one, and then it will tell you the air pressure. What is the air pressure? You can see this one more often than the classic biometer. I don't think classic biometer is used more often these days because خلاص we are using new things, new tools, new stuff to measure. They
Yeah.
implement a lot of tools for us to use them. Okay, so what do we
Yeah.
use for air pressure? We use
The classic
The classic
biometer
barometer and the modern
and modern biometer.
barometer with R, guys. It's baro.
Baro.
Yes,
and
barometer. Very
Barometer.
nice, very nice.
see this here, the one here. Wait, the picture
This
there
one,
was.
Lynn, this one, yeah, Leanne, this one
No.
is what you meant, what they put up in the houses. Sometimes this is the modern. It anemometer, okay, or there is a wind vane. A wind vane, the one that has the chicken up, the chicken.
Yeah.
Yes, the
Chicken then these things down.
yes, excellent. But this one is anemometer. They call it anemometer. It measures the wind speed and how quickly the wind can go or move around, or if it's going a sea, if it's a sea breeze or a land breeze. Look at these two picture. These are different direction of wind. The wind is going in different direction. So if it's coming from the sea, we call it a sea breeze. If it's going to the sea, coming from the city, we call it a land breeze. Now,
What does the breeze mean, Miss?
breeze means the wind going, the wind blowing. When the wind blows, we call it breeze because it has a smell, it has a feeling. It will touch your when you are standing on the beach and your hair will go up away the opposite side of the beach. You will feel the breeze on your face, on your hair, and everything. Okay, so the breeze means the wind, the blowing of wind. During the day, land heats up more quickly than water. Air over the land also warms, causing the air pressure to drop. When the air pressure drop, cooler, higher pressure air flows from over the water to the land, forming a sea breeze. So how a sea breeze is forming? It has to be what?
Mm, I think it has to be causing the air pressure.
The air pressure, if it's dropping down in the land, the sea will go up and you will feel the breeze of the sea. What about the land
Like
at night?
a lot of feel.
So
I meant
during
wait.
day, the sea breeze is most likely happens. But at night, land loses the heat. When land loses the heat more quickly than water, the air over land will cool. The air pressure rises, cooler, higher pressure air flows from the land toward the sea, forming a land breeze. So one of them will be low, one of them will be high. If the land is uh, 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 if it's high in pressure and the sea is low in pressure, what is it? Is it land breeze or sea breeze?
If it's high in pressure,
Yes, in the land. The one who
I
gets the
think
higher pressure, the one is
land breeze.
excellent. We will call the name of it of the breeze. So if it's in the sea, high pressure, and the land, lower pressure, so it is a sea breeze. So who has the highest pressure? We will call it
Sea
by its
breeze.
name. Now look at this picture. I want you to tell me, is it
Okay.
is it sea breeze or land breeze?
I think this is sea breeze.
Excellent. Why? Give me the reason.
Because
It is
it's like
Because
really
it's
it's like
doing
windy.
the opposite way
Yeah.
of the.
excellent because it's the opposite
breeze
way
are
of the
going like
sea.
this,
Okay,
not
now
this.
which one has the highest pressure? The land or the sea?
Sea.
Yeah.
Excellent. The sea has the highest air pressure and the land. Rayana, because I told you if it who gets the highest pressure, we will call it its name.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
Okay,
Yeah,
all
yeah.
right. And this anemometer, we measure what with
The
anemometer?
wind.
Wind
The
speed.
Yeah. How does it? How is speed?
Okay, guys, time is up. I want I want you to tell me what we took today. We learned about what is the weather. Yes, yes, Elaine, tell me the words.
We took the word weather, humidity, and humidity, and pressure, air
Air
pressure.
pressure.
Air pressure.
And we took the tools, Elaine, of what?
We
How
took
to measure
a
what and what?
scale. We took
How to measure what and what?
we took a scale.
No, Lean. Do not read from the book. Tell me. We learned how to measure what and what? How to measure temperature, rain,
Measure
or
temperature, rain, or air pressure.
air pressure. Excellent. And this one, the last one over here, measures what?
Measures the wind.
Excellent. The wind direction. Okay, to measure the air pressure, we use two things. What are they? Hi, Italia.
Miss, this is basically on a farm.
Come on, guys.
Finally.
A barometer, excellent. We use a classic barometer and a modern barometer. And anemometer is for measuring the wind direction.
Yeah.
Okay, guys,
Yeah.
South,
thank you very much
east,
for
north, and
participating
west.
and for being here in this class. Love you so much, and we'll see you, inshallah, tomorrow to complete this lesson.
Bye.
Was it really good or
Yeah.
nah? Did you?
It was easy.
Very nice, very
Yes.
nice. Okay. Thank you
And I'm
guys.
so
See you
excited,
tomorrow,
Miss, to
inshallah.
do the word play.
Okay. Bye-bye, girls. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.